Man killed while playing dominoes at St. Mary Bar. 81-year-old woman dies in house fire in Lionel Town, Clarendon. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A lone gunman shot and killed a 28-year-old farmer in Henfield, St. Mary while he was playing a game of dominoes. Dead is Akeem Ho of Fort Stewart in the community. Police reports are that Rowe was at a community bar playing a game of dominoes with a group of men on Saturday night when around 9:30 p.m. a lone gunman walked up to Rowe and brandished a handgun. It is reported that he opened fire, hitting Rowe multiple times over his body before escaping on foot. No others were injured in the incident. Rowe was taken to the Onoto Bay Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The scene was processed and 8 9mm pen casings and an expended bullet was found. A motive for the killing has not been established. The police are investigating. A senior citizen died in a house fire in Lionel Town, Clarendon on Saturday. The deceased is 81-year-old Frederica Williams of Lionel Town housing scheme in the parish. Reports are that about 12:46 a.m., residents observed fire coming from a 4-bedroom house and alerted the police and firefighters. On the arrival of the responders, the house was seen engulfed in flames. Following cooling down operations, the charred remains of the elderly woman were found. While investigations are continuing into the cause of the blaze, residents believe that the fire may have been caused by a candle that was reportedly lit by Williams in her bedroom.